What is your favorite cake?
I love cheesecake.
Hello Junior Chefs and welcome to Junior's Kitchen. Do you know there are more than 10 different cheesecakes? Today we make
Raspberry cheesecake.
Here are the ingredients: cream cheese, lemon, sour cream, raspberries, vanilla, sugar, biscuits,
Yogurt, sugar, eggs, butter and salt.
Let's start cooking.
We begin with the base.
Put the biscuits in the bag. Crush them with the rolling pin. They are finely crushed now.
Crush biscuits in the bowl.
Melt the butter on low heat. Combine butter with biscuits.
Prepare the baking pan.
Grease with butter.
Biscuits, butter, mix in the pan. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees.
Into the oven for 10 minutes. Take it out and let it cool down. Reduce the temperature to 150 degrees.
Let's prepare the filling.
Sour cream, cream cheese, yogurt, sugar, vanilla sugar, salt in the bowl. Mix for 3 minutes. Grate the lemon zest.
Add the zest to the cream cheese.
Crack the eggs in the bowl. Add them one by one. Put the filling on the base. Knock the pan gently on the table. Now there are no more air bubbles.
Cover with aluminum foil.
Into the oven for 1 hour.
After 50 minutes, take off the foil.
After 1 hour, switch off the oven.
Open the door for 15 minutes.
After it cool, put in the fridge for 4 hours.
It is cool now.
We prepare the topping. Raspberries and sugar in a pot.
Add lemon juice.
Cook over medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Raspberry sauce through a sieve. Let the sauce cool for 5 minutes.
Spread the topping over the cake.
Take the cake out of the pan.
Raspberry cheesecake is ready.
Enjoy. Goodbye.